Good morning, students. Today, I will explain about generation of computers. Okay, my dear students, you know that is computer not only one times invented. Day by day, it's developing for many. Technology is coming for change the technology and the computer size, computer functions, computer storage capacity, everything day by day is increasing, changing. Okay, so we will learn what happened when the computer invented, means the first generations. Okay, the first generations we can see that is vacuum tube technology. Vacuum tube technology it has used. Okay, so vacuum tube technology using purpose, the computer was working too much slow, and obviously that is size also big. Okay, and for that only computer's capacity was so low, and it was too much heat. Basically if the computer will come the heat, so generally electricity also consumed high. Okay, so these were the negative sides. We can say that disadvantage sides were there, and that is past times. Remember, the first generation's computers were working that is machine language. Machine language means, yes, the binary system, 0 and 1, digit. Computer did not understand, that is any language, only 1 and 0. That one, the machine language. We can say that is the binary language. Okay, so these were the functions were the past generation computers. After that, it has changed. Then it became the second generations. The technology has changed. Instead of vacuum tube, it came what? Yes, transistors. Remember, transistors. This technology they have you. Okay, for that only computer became the less heat. Okay, basically if you see if the less heat will come, obviously electricity consume also less. But remember, it was not working so faster. Whatever you are thinking, you can see your computer, that is school, home you are using. My dear, it was not like that computer. It was size was big, very, and different types of computer were there. Okay, so this second generation, the vacuum tube, instead of vacuum tube, they use the transistors. Obviously, they change the machine language. Okay, the machine language, instead of machine language, they use the assembly language. Remember, assembly language. Okay, so these two generations, so many things were changed. Still, that time, so many people were not using the computer. Why? The computer size was, still they are very big. It is very difficult to carry one place to another. Okay, so these were there. After that, they changed the first generation and second generations. Then, instead of second, they put the third generation's computer. That is, it changed third generation. Third generations, what they did? Instead of vacuum transistors, then it became the IC. Integrated circuit. This is the full form of IC. It is integrated circuit. Okay, and that time electricity is too much low capacity became, consumes less electricity, and obviously size became slow. And remember, in the third generations, that time the mouse invented. Before that, it was working by the keyboard and any another functions. It was not there the only for. You don't think that is whatever we are using. It looks like that. No, my dears. The before another kind of system were there. So mouse they invented with the third generations computers. Whenever the IC in used the technology, instead of transistor they use the IC. That time the computers mouse invented. Okay. Now it's the question is coming, sir, what language they used? The high level language. Means this high levels, low level, this language, what is that? That means this is one kind of language, whatever we are give and the computers accept. Means we will give. You have seen that if we are use the password in our computers, in our mobile, so computer always will accept. The computer works there. Before computer was working their own language, but now we are giving, we are machine language, many things we are giving, the computer will accept. Computer was accept. So that time a high level language became. Many programs that time have started. Okay, so these are the functions of the third language. Then that they have not become the stop, became the fourth. This instead of IC, they used what? VLSI, very large scale interrogations. You can you can say that is processor. That is, fourth generations also processor used. Processor, chips. Okay, you can say that chips. What happened with the chips? See, there you can see the technology IC transistor, it became very big size. But when the processor invented, it became the small. Basically, if we are use the chips, big, small chips, the computer size will become the small. Okay? If the computer size will become the small, obviously the electricity less, we can carry one place to another. So many things are there we can do, and the language also high level language. Okay, remember the high level language that times, yeah, programming language they used. Fourth generation, this is the functions. Now we can see the whatever computer we can see that is desktop, laptop. You remember that is the fourth generation's example, that one. Okay, so these were the functions of fourth generation's computers. Now the scientists, they did not stop. They more developed. Then became the fifth generation. What they invented? That time became the robot. Okay? Remember, dear, the fifth generations, the robot came. Okay? Now the robot means they can solve our many work. Okay? Now few are thinking, sir, so fourth generations computer have stopped. No. Still, we are going the fourth generations computers. Means that technology still we are using. Whatever you can see, that is desktop, laptop, pump top, whatever, that is the all are example of the fourth generations computers. Still now it is going on. Okay? So these are the generations. Day by day it has developed. So computer has also changed. Okay? So this is the steps of the computer. I hope everybody understood. If you don't have any doubt, still if you have doubt, you can continue. Okay? Thank you.